in 2 Corinthians, therefore, if any man be in Christ, he is a new creature. Old things are passed away. Behold, all things are become new. Today, all things are become new. We return to our historic mission, and that is to have students from here in the mountains together with students from other places living in our dormitory, coming here to attend one of the finest schools in Kentucky and in America. So we're very fortunate to begin the school year the way we're beginning it. Now I want to ask our residential students to rise. Throughout the history of our people here in the mountains, please rise. Okay, thank you, Senator. Thank you. We welcome you. This school is a family, and we are laying the groundwork for another 92, 93. It's very important to our people in a day when education sets us free, economically and spiritually and otherwise. So I'm very happy today. I've gotten to know these young folks. They're wonderful young people. They have come here from sometimes from distances, from New York to Miami to Connecticut to Mexico. And there will be others coming from around the world.